okay. Instead of feeling guilty when this happens, turn your lapse into strength to keep going. After all, Kwit is here to support you without any judgments. Indeed, relapses affect a number of former smokers during their smoking cessation. However, even if they can discourage you at the time, these relapses can help you fight your dependence. Kwit suggests you lock them in the application, along with the emotion that you were feeling at the moment and the circumstances. By doing so each time, the application will help you to progressively identify your cravings and understand how to change your behavior.